a female CEO asked a prominent person to give a lecture to motivate her employees. However, his flight was delayed, so she was waiting for him to arrive, introducing his career to the employees. After a while, she received a message that the lecturer had arrived, and he was waiting backstage. She went straight backstage, and she could see him there beating his chest and jumping up and down like a gorilla. She thought, "Oh my God. Here I am saying all these wonderful things about this man, and he has just flipped." She had never seen anyone act so strangely. Soon after, he started giving really a nice lecture. It was a brilliant lecture that motivated and stimulated the employees. After a while, at lunchtime, she asked him why he did it backstage. Then, he answered, "I'm a motivator. But sometimes I don't get enthusiastic. Today is such a day. I was very tired from the delayed flight this morning. But I knew you wanted me to give you a lecture with enthusiasm. I had to turn myself on. And I've found that if I just churn up my blood with some exercise and chest beating, I feel much better. So that's what I was doing." You can do things to make yourself enthusiastic. I really believe that if you act enthusiastic, you will become enthusiastic. Not just for a day but for a lifetime.